we'll guide you through how to fix a problem with Google Drive. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. Make sure you're logged into the correct Google account by checking the profile icon at the top right corner. If not, click on it and switch accounts. Sometimes, the issue might be related to your browser cache or cookies, so clearing them can help. To do this, click on the three dots at the top right of your browser, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and select Clear Browsing Data. Choose cookies and other site data and cached images and files, then hit Clear Data. Once that's done, restart your browser and try accessing Google Drive again. If you're still facing issues, check for any browser updates by going back to the three dots menu, scrolling down to Help, and clicking About Google Chrome. If an update is available, it will automatically install, so just restart your browser after the update is complete. Another common fix is to disable any browser extensions that might be interfering. Click on Extensions from the same three dots menu, and toggle off any extensions you don't need. Finally, if none of these solutions work, try accessing Google Drive using a different browser or in incognito mode to see if the problem persists. This can help you identify if the issue is specific to your current browser setup. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.